Hello everyone. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can buy and invest in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and possibly Doge. But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Alright, so let's quickly dive into that. But before we go into it deeply, make sure you have a verified Bybit account. But if you do not have any, I will drop a referral link at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. But if you use it to sign up, you'll be given a huge reward. But how can you be eligible for the reward? If you sign up and verified your Bybit account, you need to deposit not less than 100 USDT for you to be able to gain 500 USDT for free. You can deposit it immediately and take it back, but just make sure you do that. Alright, so let's quickly go into it. We're going to go straight to coin market cap to see how those coins are doing, which is the BTC, the Ethereum, and also the Doge possibly. Alright, so let's go straight to coin market cap. This is coin market cap. This coin market cap show you the 24 hours trading volume, how the market has been doing for since the last 24 hours, the first 7 days, and the 30 days, also 90 days. It will show you all deeply. So what do you need to do? You can come to this place to click on this 24 hours or just 1 hour. If you look at for the past 1 hour, it was up and down, and for the past 24 hours this coin has been doing well. Where does it move from? It moved from roughly 94 and now it's in 97,000 USD. Alright, look at how he's doing carefully and go ahead to invest on it. How do you invest on it? On this, we're going to look at the long-term investment. Alright, you can invest little and be patient for like a while and you earn a lot. Alright, you can see a lot of people hold this for a very long time, since when this BTC was 60 and today where is it? Close 100. It's close 100,000 USDT like right now. So a lot of people are in profit. They are in profit because they were deeply patient. So you invest on it little, be patient, and you're going to make a lot in return. Alright, so we're going to look at ETH too. Let's see how this ETH has been doing. But my advice here is, each time you want to invest, make sure you try to invest when the market is favorable, because for the past 24 hours they have been doing well closely. So you will wait when the markets reset and stabilized, then you can buy, invest a little, and see what you can earn in return. Alright, so aside from this, we're going to look at Doge. You can see Doge is having over 7% green for the past 24 hours. This shows that Doge has been doing well and is still a good coin that you can invest on. I'll talk much about this Doge in my next class. Alright, so look at what Doge has been doing for the past 24 hours. It has been doing so well with over 7% green. Alright, so let's quickly go back to our Bybit to see now how we can buy and invest on this coin. Since we have seen what exactly they have been doing in the markets, in the coin market cap, it shows that yes, they are coin with a very high potential. a coin that will be doing so well in the nearest time or in the nearest future. So you invest a little and wait patiently. All right, and wait patiently. You can see how this has been doing. This is its lows and high. Its lows was 0.399. Its high was 0.437. That's a good one. Look at it, market volumes and the others. So let's get back to our Bybit. So this is our Bybit. We're going to look at those ones that are very hot. Major here is good, but our target here today is BTC. All right, I drop a lot of videos on how you can buy BTC and on how you can trade cryptocurrency on Bybit, how you can buy and as well how you can sell. I'll also drop the video links again at the descriptive section of this very class so that it can remind you of how to buy and sell. So that process is what you're going to follow. If you follow it carefully, you're going to follow that to buy and invest, which is what this video is talking about. So all you just need to do is either click on buy here or click on trade at the top right hand side here. All right, you click on buy or you click on trade. Okay, so we're going to use the buy option now so that we can get the video or get the class clearly. All right, so you're going to come here to buy. If you come here to buy at this place, you're going to impute your USDT volume. That is the number of USDT you want to use to buy this BTC for investment. So you look at how much you want to invest. If it is 100 USDT you want to invest, you write it here. If it is 50, you write it here. If it is 20, you write it here. Sorry, if it is 20, you write it here. And even if it is 1000 USDT, you write it here. All the space that is provided here is for you to impute the exact volume or the exact amount you want to invest. After imputing the exact amount you want to invest, then you can go ahead to click on buy. So if you click on buy, it's going to take you to confirm. The only reason it's showing this is because I don't have any idle USDT. So first you need to deposit. All right, you need to invest. You need to deposit, sorry, so that your wallet will not be empty. If you deposit, then you buy. Then after you just buy, you're going to watch or track the movement of your coin. But I advise, because this video is purely for buying an investment, if you invest, you're going to like leave it for like a while. Okay, if you leave it for like a while, it will like keep moving, or even though it's going down, don't bother. It's investment you're doing. Even if it goes down, you let it be carefully. Just let it be. Even though it goes down, you're going to wait carefully for it to come back to its stand. All right, for it to come back to its stand, then you can buy, you can sell for profit. But since it's for a long time investment, just purchase it there and just let it be. All right, purchase it there and just let it be. That's all. And a such patient for you will definitely be in profit, which is why I don't advise my students or subscribers to trade feature trading if you're not that conversant to it, because in feature trading your money can be liquidated, like your money can finish. But in spot trading you can keep trading. If you buy, it's more of investment. If you buy, let it be. Even though it's going down, you wait until when it comes up, you sell, take up your profit, and wait for another opportunity to invest on. Okay, so that is for this. Then the next one we're going to look at is what is ETH. All right, where's the ETH? We can search for it here. Ethereum. We're going to look at this Ethereum against USDT. You can see Ethereum also is one of the coin you can invest on. Why? Because it's a BTC deputy, and for in the nearest future, this coin is going to triumph. It is a coin with also a very high potential that can skyrocket anytime. Okay, that can skyrocket anytime. A lot of people does not know that this will come to this place today, because previously it was just 1,000, a little above 1,000. Okay, and little above 1,000. So all you just need to do here is to also come to this place, follow the same procedure I explained earlier. All right, so that this video will not be too long. The same procedure I explained on how to invest or buy USDT, that's the same way you're going to follow here. Buy this and wait for like a while. Okay, once it increase, you take up your profit and move on. Then the other one you need to see is the Doge. You must be patient with this Doge to reset. Okay, and when the market stabilize, you can dive into it, you buy, and expect a huge return. Okay, those very coins are having a high turnover, and their 24 hours turnover is very reasonable. All right, so all you just need to do is to watch this video carefully, follow the same procedure I explained earlier, in order to what? To invest on Doge. If you invest on Doge, you're going to make a lot from it. Okay, you will make a lot definitely from it. There is a lot of profits awaiting you. So all you just need to do is to watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Like my videos, and as well share my videos so that lots of people can gain value from this amazing content. If you do have any questions, do not forget, drop it at the comment section and I will attend to you ASAP. There is a link to my Telegram, you can join. There's also a link to my WhatsApp group, you can join. And also my community membership is open. You can just join so that we keep interacting. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.